Copernicus is now on the north side of the Polish Cultural Garden, and he's next to Sienkiewicz here, who's the writer and patriot. Sienkiewicz. And as we go a little farther down, the Polish Garden, Chopin. Next we have, of course, in the middle is this fountain. There they're working on Copernicus. The next bust is Madame Curie, who was Polish, pursued her work in France. It's the Curie name. Born in Warsaw. And this is where Copernicus just was before they're moving it. And they're moving it right now. And this is going to be where the bust of Saint Pope John Paul II will be. And as we continue around this circle here, Paderewski, pianist, composer, statesman, humanitarian. And then there's one more as we circle around. This is the most recent, if I remember right. Poland's greatest poet, Sienkiewicz. So there's Copernicus. That's filling out a nice circle of great Polish artists and scientists here in the Polish Cultural Garden.